Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a quick review of the Sony N750. I got this from a couple months back. Let me tell you, this is a good, reliable VCR. I've had a few in the past, but this one seems to have been lasting me quite a while. No issues. Let me give you a quick rundown of this. You got the outputs right here for video, your audio, yellow, red, and white. This model in particular has a really fast rewind, 60-second rewind. Compared to other VCRs, they're kind of slow, so it's a quick one. You got your channel buttons right here to switch channels. You can program that one. Then you got the record. You want to record something on your TV. The fast forward has a knob right here for your fast forward, rewind. Then we got your pause, stop, eject. This one's a pretty good VCR for its age. It's in perfect condition. I got this brand new from some seller on eBay. It's hard to find them in this condition. It's got the component outputs in the back. I'll show you guys later. The rewind is one of its top features. It's plug and play. Sets up automatically when you connect to the plug. This one has commercial skip, so you can skip through any commercials really fast. You need the remote for that. I have it. And, I'll show you guys the back side of this guy. This was one of the Sony's last CD players, VCRs that was produced back in the late 2000s. This one was produced in 2005, I believe. Yeah. See, this is the input out, so you can connect to your TV if you want to plug it in. Input in to record something. You got your connectors right here for the TV. It's a pretty solid design. It's like plastic, but it's light, not too heavy. Weighs around 10 pounds. So it's better. The older models were made out of pure metal and they were kind of flimsy, break easily. These can withstand a little beating, won't break. On the internals, you go ahead and show you guys how it runs. Alright, let's watch this bad boy do its thing. I'm gonna go ahead and pop one of my favorite anime VHS tapes I got. This one was made back in the 93, 94. Cruise Crest. Check it out, it's a good one. It's Japanese anime at its finest. Let's go ahead and pop it in. Takes a little while to play. There you go. Image quality is pretty good. Let's go ahead and rewind. Play, you push the button in. Fast forward a little bit. You gotta push to the right. And then if you guys want to rewind it faster, you press the stop. And it'll actually rewind 3 times faster. Go ahead and play. Yeah, there you go. You have it. It's a good VCR. Highly recommended. If you guys want to get one of these, you can still buy them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. You guys check it out. These run for like 60, 70 bucks. But yeah, there's my review of the Sony 750. Thanks for watching.